It's time for sleep and my eyes want to close. But first I should drink some water, I suppose. Now that I'm quenched, my mom tucks me in, but it's after she leaves that the hiccups begin. Just hold your breath and close your eyes tight, because he can hear you out in the night. With every hiccup, the closer he'll be. If the sound doesn't stop, then neither will he. Please go away, hiccups. I don't want to die. He'll rip out my throat for only one reason why. He can't stand the sound, and he'll silence you too, for the hiccup man is real and he's coming for you.
What in the world? What kind of double nursery rhyme shit is that?